Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm data science, and I want to spend these 5 minutes explaining the automatic data annotation process that we are using. So I start with our general task, and then follow with distant supervision itself, and the most Pythonic part of how we use a string search algorithm. So the main goal is relation extraction. So we want to extracting from the raw text the information of how the information that there are two entities that connected between some relation. What do I mean? The example on the right. Then if we have such raw text, it's Elon Musk, the hugely successful businessman who founded PayPal. We want to extract the information that PayPal and Elon Musk are connected with, founded by relation. From technical point of view, we want to extract triples, that subject of relation, object of relation, and the relation itself. So why distant supervision? We all know that we need huge amount of data for training our models, and it's human annotated data is expensive, so we want to annotate data automatically. The distant supervision assumption you see here, it means that if we know from some sort of, for example, from a knowledge base, we know that two entities are connected with some relation, we can assume that any sentence that contains these two entities might express this relation. Fortunately, no, but let's stay with it. Here's an illustration. On the left, we have the article from knowledge base Wikidata, and we can transfer the knowledge to raw text on the right to annotate the sample. So we can annotate that Bob Iger is the employer of Disney and held the position of CEO, and do it automatically. And then we get the training sample of the founded of the employee and the position held relations. One of the advantages of approach that we need nearly nothing to start. We need subject-object pairs that can be instructed from some knowledge bases. And also we need the raw text we can annotate using this subject and object. From technical point of view, it means that we want to find such piece of text that contains some subject-object pair of the relation we're interested in. What is the challenge? Okay, it's in the middle, okay. That actually we need to search if one of 100,000 words occurs in one of million articles. So it takes us weeks to wait. And fortunately, all we need is already implemented in Python. We choose the echo-characteristic algorithm for pattern searching. I have no time to explain how it works, but you can believe me, it's first of all, it's fast, and second, it's implemented in C, so and then wrapped in Python, so it's really fast. So how we use it? We from the subject-object pairs I speak before, we prepare the list of potential subject and list of corresponding objects for each subjects, and then we have our source text. We run subject search and get the list of text that contains even one potential subject. Then we run object search and got the piece of text that contains subject-object pairs, and then we can use it as a training data. So it's really all, and what I want to illustrate that Python is really easy and great for an LP task, and even it's not so fast. You have can find everything already implemented and seen wrapped in Python that you can use out of the shell, as we do with echo-characteristic. That's all.